Messi just put up a hat trick in last night's game. And if you trade with PU Prime, that's not just a great evening of football. It's actually your shot at owning a piece of it. Because right now, PU Prime is running a surprise bonus draw. And the prize is an AFA jersey signed by Messi, Martinez, and Enzo. Now, this is part of PU Prime's official partnership with the Argentine Football Association. They've been running football-themed giveaways all year, from match balls to signed gear. Now, because their whole brand angle is this, trading and football reward the same things: discipline, strategy, timing. If you show up consistently, and eventually the big moments will come. So last night's hat trick is exactly that big moment. So they've turned it into a surprise bonus draw on top of their main PU World Cup competition. Now, here's the part that actually...
Right, today's sponsor is Lead Sniper. That's lead-sniper.com. Link will be down below. Your unfair advantage in lead generation. Now, it automatically scrapes leads from Google Maps, Yellow Pages, and domain-based emails in just a few clicks. Now, no more manual digging. You get verified emails, phone numbers, and business data fast. Now, with lifetime access options, it's efficient, affordable, and insanely powerful. Now, check out that link down below and let's jump back into the video.
Matters how you qualify. And it's simple. You trade 3 lots on your PU Prime account and you're automatically entered into the bonus draw. No separate sign-up forms, no extra steps. And if you're already trading with them, you might be most of the way there without even trying. If you're new, opening an account and getting to 3 lots is the whole requirement. Sharing this post and tagging PU Prime is a nice little extra, but the entry itself comes with volume. That's 3 lots. That's the bar. Nice and simple. This one's not going to be sitting open for weeks. It closes in 3 days' time. So this isn't a bookmark for later kind of giveaway. If you're trading with PU Prime already, this costs you nothing to enter. If you're not, this is honestly a pretty fun reason to get started. So here's what you need to do. Links below, go join the bonus draw. Check them out on their X profile. Full details will be on there. You have 3 days, 1 signed jersey. Go get it today. Peace.